SnapShift AI is one of the latest releases in the world of artificial intelligence, and it's making waves for good reason. If you're looking to stay ahead of the curve with this powerful tool, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll be breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know about SnapShift AI, so stick around till the end. I'll also share how you can try SnapShift AI completely free, so don't miss that. First up, let's talk about what SnapShift AI does. It's a tool designed to help businesses and individuals optimize their workflows by automating tasks that were previously time-consuming. It uses cutting-edge machine learning models to adapt and streamline various processes, from scheduling to customer service. The ability to customize workflows makes it an excellent choice for those looking to save time and improve efficiency in their operations. What really sets SnapShift apart is its ease of use. Many AI tools out there are complex and require a steep learning curve. SnapShift's interface is intuitive and user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a team, you'll be up and running quickly with minimal effort. Now, one of the most exciting features of SnapShift is its adaptability. This software learns and evolves based on the specific needs of your business. It integrates seamlessly with other software tools. And as it gathers data, it fine-tunes its performance, optimizing tasks to make sure you're getting the most out of your investment. Another key feature is SnapShift's advanced analytics capabilities. It doesn't just automate tasks, it also provides insightful data and reports, helping you make informed decisions. You'll be able to track progress, spot inefficiencies, and measure the effectiveness of your workflows, all from a centralized dashboard. For those concerned about privacy and data security, SnapShift AI comes with top-notch security measures. The software is fully compliant with GDPR and other industry standards, meaning your data is in safe hands. This is especially important if you're dealing with sensitive customer or business data. A standout aspect of SnapShift is its customer support. While many AI software solutions leave users hanging when it comes to help, SnapShift offers solid customer service, including a dedicated support team and a comprehensive help center. This ensures you'll never be left in the dark if you run into any issues. So, is SnapShift AI the right tool for you? Well, if you're looking to automate tasks, optimize workflows, and gain valuable insights into your business processes, SnapShift AI is worth exploring. With its user-friendly design, adaptability, and security features, it's truly one of the best AI solutions just released. Before we wrap up, I'll remind you that you can try SnapShift AI completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Plus, after trying thousands of AI tools, I've narrowed down my top recommendations, all of which are linked below for you to check out. Thanks for watching, and make sure you stay tuned for more AI software reviews that could change the way you work.